Fully automatic cellophane wrapping machine, also known as transparent film packaging machine, cigarette packaging machine, three-dimensional wrapping machine, and other machine names. This machine is mainly used for outer box packaging in the industries of medicine, food, health products, cosmetics, audio-visual products, etc., such as medicine boxes, chewing gum, health products, tea, sugar cubes, condoms, rubber, mosquito coils, cigarettes, tapes, VCD, CD discs, playing cards, transparent soap, square batteries, floppy disks, etc. It plays the role of anti-counterfeiting and moisture-proof, improves product quality and increases product added value. This machine can be connected with cartoning machine, inkjet printer, case packer machine, and other machines for linkage production. This machine currently packs single plasticine. Welcome to call for consultation.